What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning PHP object-oriented programming. My name is QDS Dan and you guys watching my channel Coriowood. In this video we're going to talk about the interface constants. How we're going to deal with the constants. Say for example, if the father name is say for example, if you want to put a constant variable here, how we're going to do that in an interface, because at the moment if you look in here we don't have any constant around our program, and from the top to bottom there is no constant here. Alright, so we haven't done the constant in the interface as well. Constant's very easy. I've created the interface constant here, so we're gonna try that. Say for example, if you put an interface, and we're gonna go to interface, say for example channel, and if you wanna, say for example in my case, if I wanna make a constant about my channel, so I wanna put a const. So I want to do, for example, message, and I want to do some message that I want to keep it constant. For example, I want to do welcome to my channel Coriowood, for example. So now in the interface, this is a constant. Regardless of how many classes we go ahead and we extend, for example, regardless of how many classes you guys implement, this is going to be a constant, always going to be constant. I'm not going to create another interface classes to implement this one. Just this one's okay, because this video is about constant variables here. So how we gonna, say for example, now we have a channel and I want to output this message. So you guys gonna come here and put echo, and then put the name of the class, which is going to be channel. Put a 2:: here, which is going to be object resolution operator, and then you guys need to put your message. For example, it's going to be message. That's it. How easy is this? You can display this message. So we're going to go here and we're going to go on a constant interface constants, and you're going to see that welcome to my channel Coriowood is going to be displayed. You can say for example do a lot of other constants. Say for example, you can make const p, for example, for platform, and say this channel runs on say for example YouTube. You can make another constant. You guys can do echo, you can do the break, and here you can do echo and put the name of the class and put a p. For example, you can make platforms as well. You don't have to. So we're gonna come and we're gonna run, and this channel runs on a platform. So if you look in here, we have a constant message, and we are initializing some sort of literal string here with our two constants, and here we are outputting the message. You guys can put anything else. So regardless of how many times you guys try to change this one, it's not going to be changed. You can try that one, but once you guys declare something constant, especially in the interface, that's it. And if you want to initialize, say for example this one like that, you guys can delete this part. Say for example, if you want to put it in implementation, if you want to put another interface class and implement this one, you guys do like this, and you can use the same constant in your other classes in the implementation. You don't have to initialize it here, but once you initialize it here in the parent class, then you can, it's impossible to change this one. But you can leave it just a message or just a p, and you can put your message here in other classes. So that's how the constant works in the PHP interface. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Coriowood. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.